A slowdown is a great time to do some strategic planning that generates immediate leads, while at the same time builds long-term growth for your home inspection business. And this is the home inspector's blueprint for market activation. Here are 6 interconnected strategies to ignite your home inspection business when business is slow. Here's strategy number 1, the digital catalyst, Google Ads. Run a focused 30-day Google Ads campaign with a significant budget. And the goal is not to get the phone to ring today, but to achieve 3 key objectives real quick. 1 is immediate leads, 2 is perceived leadership, and 3 is actionable data. Okay, the first one, immediate leads. Google Ads can instantly position your business in front of clients who are actively online searching for an inspector in their neighborhood right now. 2, perceived leadership. When you get on the top search results, that creates a powerful impression that you are the market leader, and you build credibility that lasts beyond this Google campaign. 3rd, actionable data. This is the most important reason to run a Google ad. The campaign will reveal the exact keywords and phrases that don't just get clicks, but they also get you that proven keyword data that converts into actual paying clients. And this is data that's pure gold to you. And I'll show you why in strategy 2. Strategy 2 is organically growing your authority using website SEO. Now, you use the data from your ad campaign to build a long-term cost-free stream of leads. Don't waste time and money on SEO guessing. Use proven keywords to build a website that Google trusts and clients can easily find. And here's the strategic handoff. Your list of high converting keywords from the ad that you ran is now your SEO blueprint. You now know what clients search for when they're ready to hire an inspector. So you can insert that exact language into your website. But you got to delegate. Don't do it yourself. Work with an expert like InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs to conduct an SEO audit on your website. You want to ensure that your website is fast and mobile friendly, then get them to update your pages, the titles and the headings and the service descriptions with those proven keywords that you found from your Google ad. Then you want to create dedicated pages and blog posts that answer questions or solves problems or meets the needs of those clients related to those keywords that you got from your Google ads. If radon testing for home purchase was a winner in your ads, write the most comprehensive article in your blog on that topic for your local area. This is the strategic handoff, taking the proven keywords from the Google ads you just ran and inserting them into your website. That's SEO. That's the indispensable long-term counterweight to the short-term ad campaign. If paid ads are the sprint, SEO is the marathon that ultimately wins the race. This is the practice of building your brand, organically growing your authority. SEO is the process of building digital trust by aligning your website's technical performance and content with what both the search engines prove to be successful and what the users consider to be valuable to their lives. You establish a sustainable flow of high-quality leads that grows over time. Strategy number 3, the digital thought leader, social media. Use social media to educate, not to sell. Your goal on social media is to become the go-to expert, the trusted professional in your neighborhood, the home consultant who knows everything about healthy homes and home maintenance in your neighborhood, in your community. Trust is the ultimate marketing tool, trust. So how do you gain it? You gain trust by providing education. Don't sell on social media. You want to create value, not ads. You want to produce high quality, valuable content that actually helps people, homeowners. Don't produce videos that sell or scare. Do videos of you being excited about inspecting homes and you're communicating valuable information, interesting stuff. For example, you could film a video on the top 5 maintenance issues that you see in homes in your area. You could use InterNACHI's social media graphics, if you want to do videos, about cleaning the gutters. Social media means being social. So on social media, show your personality and your passion for your work, show your excitement, add value to the conversation, and this builds a loyal following that will think of you first when they or their friends have a house problem, or when they need somebody to check on the house, or they need a home inspection for a real estate transaction. Strategy number 4, hyper-local saturation and community engagement. You want to dominate your local market by focusing on master planned communities where there's like a ton of homes that were built in one neighborhood around the same time with similar building materials. This gives you a massive strategic advantage. You want to become that neighborhood's expert. A problem with a construction or a material issue that you find in one home is likely going to be reproduced in all the other homes. And so your knowledge becomes exponentially more valuable, and then you can market this specific expertise. So make a zero risk offer. Go door to door in that big neighborhood, not with a sales pitch, but with a high value offer like a free infrared certified scan for your front door energy leaks, because all the front doors in the neighborhood have a gap, right? You want to leave a lasting impression, right? Provide a useful, branded leave behind, like a GFCI tester. This tangible gift keeps you top of mind and reinforces your image as a helpful community resource, generating powerful word of mouth referrals in that neighborhood. Strategy number 5, the ambassador effect, activating social proof. Your most powerful marketing is not what you say about yourself, but what a happy client says about you to others. The moment you finish a home inspection is the moment of peak happiness for your client. Your job is to capture that moment and make it really easy for them to become a brand ambassador. And this strategy costs nothing and is more effective than any paid ad. So you want to capture the video testimonial. In exchange for the value that you provided, ask your client for a quick 5-second selfie, video testimonial. Everybody does selfies. Prompt them with a simple question like, what was the most valuable thing you learned today? And then ask them to post it on their social media channels, tagging your business. And this is a powerful user-generated content that leverages their network for you. And you want to make Google reviews frictionless. Don't just ask for a review, make it impossible for them to say no. Have a QR code printed on a business card or on your phone that links directly to your Google Business Review page. So as you're wrapping up your free infrared scan, say, would you mind taking 5 seconds, just 5 seconds to share your experience? Texting them the direct link works just as well. Just remove every possible hesitation. Just increase the likelihood of receiving that 5-star Google review. And then give them a shareable asset. Follow up your inspection report, which is probably digital, with a simple, visual appealing, physical object like a 100-page full-color home maintenance book. This old school marketing works. People don't just throw away books. They keep them lying around. And InterNACHI's home maintenance book can be customized, fully customized, the cover with your company, your logo, your colors, your contact information, your QR code, everything. And this gives your client something tangible and physical and valuable to forward to a friend, a family member, or a neighbor who asks, so how did that inspection go? Strategy number 6, the network effect, partnering with other inspectors. Some of your best referrals can come from other inspectors. The key is to view your local competitors as potential partners. By specializing in ancillary, additional types of services that others don't offer, you can create a powerful referral network. So you identify your specialty. First, get trained and certified by InterNACHI to offer a valuable ancillary service, maybe certified mold inspections or infrared thermal imaging, sewer scopes, or pool inspections. This is your unique value proposition to other inspectors. So find your partners. Use InterNACHI's directory to create a list of 10 to 20 local inspectors. First, quickly review, spy on their websites, to confirm they don't already offer that special inspection service you're about to offer them, and create a win-win offer. Reach out to them with a simple, professional, peer-to-peer offer. For example, you could say, I see you do really good home inspections, but I specialize in certified mold testing. If you ever have a client who needs a mold test, right, you know who to call. I'd be honored to be a trusted resource for you and your client, and I can handle any mold inspection you've got, right? This strategy turns your competition into a commission-free sales force. You solve a problem for them, not having to turn down work or get another certification, and they provide you with highly qualified leads for your most profitable services. So there are many things that can be done. Like the 7th strategy involves updating your InterNACHI profile with your website address so that InterNACHI can generate free inspection job leads for you, and making sure that your listings, your zip codes or postal codes are updated in your InterNACHI profile. That's strategy number 7. I can go on, but let's just summarize the 6 strategies. So you want to first launch a short-term Google ad campaign, not just for immediate leads, but to gather data on high converting keywords. And then you use those insights to build long-term authority with your website's SEO. Then you want to establish yourself as a trusted expert by educating on social media. Dominate your local market with hyper-local community engagement and empower happy clients to become brand ambassadors through easy reviews and video testimonials. And then finally, you want to create a powerful referral system by mastering a special ancillary inspection service and partnering with local inspectors who can utilize your specialized expertise. I'm Ben Gromicko from InterNACHI. That's the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. We're online at nachi.org, and I'm also on social media, just like you should be. That's one of the strategies, right? All right, reach out to me for anything you need. I hope you enjoyed the Home Inspector's Blueprint for Market Activation.